idiots, Tyler here, and today, this is my first update video. My Game Boy screen. It's cracked. How are you guys gonna see it? Oh. Come on. So, as you can see, the Game Boy screen. Let's turn it on, shall we? Let's turn this thing up. Yeah, it's cracked. Didn't play a simple game with Pokemon. Crack screen like this. I don't even know what to click. It's so difficult.